Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children. Welcome to our online teaching academy Ekalaiva. Today we are going to see class 4 standard metric subject max. So exercise 4.1, write in decimal form. We are going to write in the decimal form. So they have given the fraction 5 by 10. Look at the denominator children. They have given 10. So only 1 0. So what is there in the numerator? You write the numerator 5 and then what is there in the numerator? 10. Only 1 0 is there. So from the back you leave one digit, then put the dot, that is decimal. So in front of the dot, if one's place, you can write the 0, it has no value. Then second one, 82 by 100. So this is the fraction. We are going to write this fraction as decimal form. So what is there in the numerator? 82. Write 82. Then look at the denominator 100. How many zeros are there in the denominator? 2 zeros are there. So from the back you leave 2 digit. 1, 2. Then put the decimal part. So before the dot you can write 0 in one's place. So what is the answer? 0.82. After the decimal place you should read the number as 1 by 1, 82. Next one, 3 by 1000. Look at the denominator. How many zeros are there? 3 zeros are there. So you can write 3. Then listen children, look at the numerator. Only one digit they have given. But here 3 zeros are there. So 3 decimal places should come. So in front of the number you can write 0 to get the 3 decimal places. So you can put dot, then before the dot you can write 0. So what is the answer? 0.003. Next one, so in the numerator they have given 255. Next, in the denominator how many zeros are there? 3 zeros. So from the back you leave 2 digit. 1, 2, 3, then put the decimal point. So before the dot you can write 0. So what is the answer? 0.255. Next one, write the following decimal numbers in the place value chart, then write the place values of all the digits. See, listen children, we are going to arrange these numbers in the place value chart. So they have given thousands, hundreds, tens, ones, then the dot, then after the dot it is tenth. Tenth means 1 by 10, its place value is tenth means 1 by 10, then hundredth means 1 by 100, then thousands means 1 by 1000. So you know already these place values. Thousand means 1000, then hundreds means 100, then tens, then ones. See, listen children, we are going to arrange these numbers in the place value chart. 25.8. So before the dot you know already these numbers, whole number. So this part is whole number part, then after the dot is decimal part. So 25 they have given. So 2 is in tens place, then 5 is in ones place, then put the dot, then 8 is in 10th place. So you write 8 is in 10th place. So place value of 8 is 10th. Next 10.005. So what is the place value of 1? Place value of 1 is 10. Then place value of 0 is ones. Then put the dot, decimal, and then 0 is in 10th place. Next 0 is in 100th place. Next 5 is in thousands place. Next one, 3.75. So 3 is in ones place. Next decimal, and then 7 is in 10th place. Then 5 is in 100th place. Next one, 0.687. So 0 is in ones place. Next 6 is in 10th place. Next 8, 100th place. 7 is in thousands place. Next one, 349.8. So what is the place value of 3? Place value of 3 is 100. So near 100 you write 3. Next place value of 4 is tens. Next place value of 9 is ones. Then decimal, and then 8 is in 10th place. So you write 8 is in 10th place. Next one 236.108. So 2 is in 100th place. So you write 2 is in 100th place. Next 3 is in 10th place. Next 6 is in 1's place. So decimal. Then 1 is in 10th place. Next 0 in 100th place. Next 8 in 1000th place. Next one 4392.1. So what is the place value of 4? 4 is in 1000th place. Next 3 100th place. 9 10th place. Next 2 in 1's place. Then decimal. Then 1 is in 10th place. Next one 4444.4. So 4 is in thousands. Next 4 in hundreds. Next 4 in tens. Next 4 in 1's place. Next decimal. Then 4 is in 10th place. Next one we are going to read we are going to write these decimals in the place. So we are going to write the place value of all the digits. See, listen children, we are going to write this in expanded form. So place value of these numbers. So we can write place value of 2 is 20. So 20 plus 5 plus 8. Place value of 8 is 8 by 10. Or you can write 2 tens plus 5 ones plus 8 tens. So 8 by 10 is nothing but 8 tens. Next one 10.005. So you can write 10. Place value of 1 is 10. So place value of 0 is 0. So no need to write. Then place here also 0. Then place value of 5 is 5 by 1000. So you can write 110 plus 5 thousands. Next one 3.75. So place value of 3 is 3 plus 7 by 10 plus 5 by 100. Place value of 3 is 3. Then place value of 7 is 7 by 10. Next place value of 5 is 5 by 100. So place value of 5 is 5 by 100. So you can write 3 ones plus 7 tens plus 5 hundreds. Next one 0.687. So you can write here 0. So place value of 687 alone we can write. So 6 by 10, 8 by 100, 7 by 1000. So what is the place value of 6? 6 by 10 is 6 tens plus 8 hundreds, 8 hundreds plus 7 thousands. 7 thousands. Next one 349.8. So what is the place value of 3? 300 plus 40 plus 9 plus 8 by 10. Place value of 8 is 10th. So you can write 8 by 10. So you can write 300, 300s plus 4 tens plus 9 ones plus 8 tens. 3 ones plus 8 tens. Next one, 236.108. So place value of 2 is 200 plus 30 plus place value of 6 is 6 ones. So you write 6. Next place value of 1 is 1 by 10 plus 0, no need to write. So place value of 8 is 8 by 1000. So you can write 200s plus 3 tens plus 6 ones plus 1 tenth plus 8 thousands. 8 thousands. Place value of 8 is 1000. So 8 thousands. Next one, 4392.1. So place value of 4 is 1000. So you can write 4000. Next 300. Place value of 3 is 100. So 300. Place value of 9 is 9 tenths. So 90. Plus place value of 2 is 1. So 2 ones equal to 1. 2 plus 0.1. Place value of 1 is 1 by 10. So you can write 4000 plus 3 tens. So 3 tens plus 9 ones, then 2 ones, sorry 9 tens, 4000s plus 300s plus 9 tens plus 2 ones plus 1 tenth. Next one is 4444.4. So what is the place value of 4? 4000. Next place value of 4 is 400. Next place value of 4 is 410. So 40. Next place value of 4 is 4 ones. So you can write 4. Next place value of 4 is 4 by 10. So you can write 4000s, 4000s plus 400s plus 4 tens plus 4 ones plus 4 tenths. Next one, exercise 4.2, write as decimals. We are going to write the fractions as a decimal. 15 by 100, then 6 by 100, 672 by 1000. See, listen children, they have given the fraction. We are going to write this fraction as a decimal. See, look at the denominator 100. So how many zeros are there in the denominator? 2 zeros. So what is there in the numerator? You write 15, then 2 zeros are there. So from the back you leave 2 digit. 1, 2, then put the dot, that is decimal. Then after the dot you can write 0. Next 6. You write 6. Then how many decimal places here? How many zeros are there? 2 zeros are there, 100. So but here only 1 digit is there. So before this digit you can write 0, so that only you can get 2 decimal places. Okay. So 100 means 2 decimal places should be there. So here only in the numerator they have given only 1 digit 6. That's why we are writing 0. Next you write 672. Next, how many zeros are there in the denominator? 3 zeros are there. So from the back you leave 3 digit 1, 2, 3. So put the dot. So in front of the dot you can write 0, 0.672. Next one you write 324. Look at the denominator 1000. So how many zeros are there in the denominator? 3 zeros. So from the back you leave 3 digit 1, 2, 3. Then put the decimal. So what is the answer? 0.324. Next one 4298 divided by 1000. So you write 4298. Next look at the denominator children 1000. So how many zeros are there in the denominator? 3 zeros are there. So from the back you leave 3 digit 1, 2, 3. So what is the answer? 4.298. 4.298. Next one 7056. Look at the denominator 1000. So how many zeros are there? 3 zeros are there. So from the back you leave 3 digit 1, 2, 3. So what is the answer? 7.056. Next one we are going to write the decimal as a fraction. We are going to write the decimal as a fraction. Say look at the number. What is the number they have given? 5. So you write 5. Then how many decimal places? That is after the decimal how many places are there? Only 1. So only 1 place means you can write 1 followed by 1 0. 1 followed by 1 0. So 5 by 10. Next one 0.79. So you write 79. Then how many decimal places are there? 1, 2. 2 decimal places are there. So in the denominator you write 1 followed by 2 zeros. So 79 by 100. Next one 6.02. 6.02. So you'll write 602. Then how many decimal places are there? That is after the dot how many decimal places? 1, 2. So you have to write 2 zeros. So what is the answer? 602 divided by 100 by 100. Next 12.6. So you write 1, 2, 6. Then how many decimal places children? Only 1 decimal places. So you can write 126 by 10. Next one 32.04. So you write 3204 divided by how many decimal places are there? 1, 2. How many decimal places? 2 decimal places. So you can write 100. 3204 by 100. Next one 0.006. So you can write the number alone 6. Then how many decimal places? 1, 2, 3. How many decimal places? 3 decimal places. So you can write 1000. 6 by 1000. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you children.